just made a fucking hot sauce out of habanero. It's green, but it's all habanero and one fucking tomato and one fucking jalapeno pepper. Verde, güey. Mira, all these habanero. And I'm fucking eating tacos with that fucking shit. Tomorrow I'll show you how to make that hot sauce. Cause it's fucking good, dog. It's fucking good. It doesn't pica where you're gonna be like, oh, I can't eat it no more. It's gonna be pica where it's gonna taste good and you want some more. I'm serious. The fuck? That was the last of my taco. I only made so many tacos when I fucking made this video so late. People that know about hot sauce, they know how much you need to put on a hot sauce on a taco to fucking enjoy it. Not to fucking make you feel like it's burning. Como poquito. Oh my god. Badass fucking hot sauce. I got the rest of my fucking taco. This is cheddar cheese and cacique cheese too. Mexican cheese, the one that you put on the fucking corn with the fucking tortilla doradita. I fucking did it on the stufa. That's the fucking ground beef. This is the last of it. I already ate it. I started fucking too late. So fucking good. All you need is a little bit. Perfect. And you know what? You know what the worst part about it is? I just started to learn how to cook. I was just coming out good. But I'm gonna start with this bullshit. I'm gonna show you how to do it and all that shit. I'm gonna edit and all that bullshit to make it a lot quicker. But we're gonna do it. This is my new YouTube channel. Okay? What I ate tonight was tortillas, doraditas, with ground beef, homemade salsa, cheddar cheese, which I put over in the refrigerator, cheddar cheese, salecita, ground pepper, todo ese pinche pedo. But we'll get into it in another video. Beautiful. I love it. Love it. Que pique, but to where you can handle it. That's the best one. That's the best hot sauce you can have. Que pique, but where you can handle it. Put that shit on a fucking billboard. Hello, chamorraza. I love it.